peacock. We will make peacock. Paper use, color, craft paper we will use. Like this paper we require from the market. Square papers. We will take the blue color for the paper, making the peacock. If you have no square paper, we will make the paper square first. We will make the paper square first. Like this we will make the paper square, making the triangle shape. And we will fold from the center. This is the first fold for making the peacock. Open the page, turn the page again from the center line. This one, see here again. First we have folded like this and we divided into this part. Again we will do the second page, same. Like this we will fold the paper and we will fold from the center. We will fold the paper from the center. See here again. First we have folded like this. After this, open the page. See the marks are there. First fold, this one, and the second one, this one, and we will fold from the center. Meet the edges together. Meet on the same point. Meet on the same point. From here, we will put the paper little fold. See here. Same we have folded the paper here, and see the mark here. We will fold the paper opposite side like this, and this here. The body is ready now. Peacock body is ready. Now we will make the head. Like this we will make the head of the peacock. See here. First we have fold the paper to make the head like this. Open the paper and put inside. See here. Inside. And after this making, we will use some stars and other stars. This is the flower, this is stars. We will put on the body of this part. See, like this. We will put the stars on the body of the peacock. Now we will take the copy. Take our drawing copy, and we will sketch the branch here. And we will make the V here. V. And we will draw the lines here for the leaf. Here we will draw the leaves. Leaves. This is the branch leaf. We will draw the leaf here. Like this we will color it. After this, we will take the peacock and put the peacock in the center of where the gap is there. After this, we will take the flowers and stick on the plant like this with the Fevicol. and we will use the Google eyes for making the eyes. Like this you can stick the flowers on the branches. If you have no flowers are there, so you can use the peacock like this. Cut the circles of the paper, different color papers, sizes, cut with a circle and stick like this, and cut the crown here with the help of the paper crown and stick like this. If you have no color papers, so you can use the newspaper. Like this you can draw leaves, fruits are there, and newspaper, some papers cut with a circle size, crown. Like this you can use the marker pen for making the eyes. Like this you can make the peacock. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, comment, subscribe and share please. Thanks for watching.